Fathers are wonderful people too little understood, and we do not sing their praises as often as we should. For son or father seems to be the man who plays the false, while mother finds up little work and nurses all our ills. And father struggles daily to live up to his image as protector and provider and hero of the screens. And perhaps that is the reason we sometimes get the notion that fathers are not subject to the thing we call emotions. But if you look inside their heart when no one else can see, you'll find he's sentimental, as soft as can be. But he's so busy every day in the grueling race of life, he leaves the sentimental stuff to his partner and his wife. But fathers are just wonderful in a million different ways, and they merit loving compliments and accolades of praise. For the only reason they aspires to fortune and success is to make the family proud of it and to bring them happiness. And like our Heavenly Father, He is a guardian and a guide, someone that we can count on to be always on our side.